made that other vlog about the squirrel. Now it's gonna be about these birds. Now, well, my cameraman. Now you see, now while he focuses on this bird right here, as it's called the bird of paradise. So now it can do this flower display, wind displays, and yeah, let's go check out the other one. And yes, and there's also a can of fruit there, which I don't know. But anyway, yes, it's such a magnificent sight to see a bird called the bird of paradise. Come on, let's go check out some more birds. Now, well, wait, I'm going to talk some more about how these birds are good. Look, here's another close up of the bird. Can you just hear that annoying sound? Yeah, what do you got to say about the zoo?
No.
Alright, let's check out the other one. Alright, now over here you can see some birds, but I don't know where they are, so I'm just randomly picking. Alright, come on. Now right here, we can see that there's going to be a bunch of birds here. Very big birds, as my dad likes to call them. Whoa! All this lush nature! Big waterfall! And the iconic. I like turtles.
What's the big boys there?
This is a vlog about the sea life and birds. Very big birds, some very big fishes, a beautiful, beautiful waterfall. Well, and I'm at the San Diego Zoo, so go check it out. All right, and